The Porsche Mission X is an audacious concept hypercar that builds on Porsche's tradition of innovation and performance. The car is designed to be a testament to the future of sports cars, combining high performance with an efficient electric powertrain. Its stunning design features Le Mans-style doors that open upwards and forwards, and a dramatic two-seater configuration. The Mission X celebrates Porsche's 75-year history, as it was unveiled on June 8, 2023, exactly 75 years after the first car to bear the Porsche name received its general operating permit. Aesthetically, the Mission X is a blend of Porsche's motorsport DNA and luxury. With dimensions of approximately 4.5 meters in length and 2 meters in width, the car's relatively compact size is reminiscent of the Carrera GT and 918 Spyder. The design also includes mixed-size tires with 20-inch wheels at the front and 21-inch wheels at the rear for aerodynamic purposes. The body is finished in an elegant rocket metallic color and incorporates carbon weave design elements below the beltline. The rear axle features aeroblades for improved brake cooling, and the car has a lightweight glass dome extending over both occupants, with an exoskeleton made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. The interior of the Mission X focuses on the driver, evident through the asymmetrical design and color scheme. It features two seats colored in Kalahari gray and Andalusia brown, and the driver's area integrates seamlessly with the center console and dashboard. For an authentic motorsport feel, the seats have 6-point seatbelts integrated into the monocoque, and the open-top steering wheel includes mode switches and shift paddles. A standout feature is the bayonet system on the passenger side, allowing a special stopwatch module designed by Porsche for both racetrack and rally use, displaying lap times and vital driver data. Technologically, the Mission X boasts a 900-volt architecture for rapid charging and a power-to-weight ratio of about 1 horsepower per kilogram. The car's battery is centrally located for optimal weight distribution, enhancing agility. The Mission X aims to break records, with aspirations of becoming the fastest road-legal vehicle around the Nürburgring Nordschleife if it enters production. Overall, the Mission X showcases Porsche's innovation and dedication to performance and luxury in the electric vehicle realm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.